Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now let us look at the Diwali celebration that you had. Let's think about it and let's write about it. Diwali. What is Diwali? Diwali or Deepawali, it's a festival of light, a happy time all children enjoy. Why? But they clean and decorate the house. Mommy buys or makes lot of sweets. The crackers are there for you, and it causes pollution, you know. And some of you burn your fingers and toes and all sorts. Whatever it is, you get new set of clothes. You visit your friend's home, and there is a number of days of celebration before, on the day, and after. It's a day that you wait for. All children wait for Diwali. Last Diwali I did this Diwali I'll do this, I buy this, I go here. So a lot of planning is done. So you're all excited. So it's a happy thing. So now let's see how we can write a short composition on Diwali, not giving too many details. Okay? Deepavali. Diwali or Deepavali means the festival of lights, because the house, your street, everywhere, lights, lights, light. Mainly, when you say light, God. So Diwali is a time you think, worship, and pray. So Diwali or Deepavali. Deepa means light, okay? Deepavali or Diwali. Deepavali or Diwali means the festival of lights. The festival of lights. Okay, lights, mainly the light. What do you do on this occasion? Houses and shops and streets are decorated with earthen lamp. So, Deepavali or Diwali is the festival of lights. Then you say, this season or this time, on this occasion, on this occasion. What happens on this occasion? Houses, shops and streets. Shops and streets. Houses, shops and streets. What happens? Are decorated with earthen lamps. Are decorated. Are decorated with earthen. Mostly it's all the earthen lamps. Or lights at night. At night. Okay. Deepavali or Diwali means the festival of lights. On this occasion, houses, shops and streets are decorated with earthen lamps or lights at night. So it's a beautiful celebration, beautiful season. It's an important Hindu festival. That's the main thing. It is an important Hindu festival. All right, it's a Hindu festival. What happens at the houses? Houses are cleaned. Sweets are made and exchanged. Okay, so what mommy does? Houses, you clean your houses. So houses are cleaned and decorated. Are cleaned and decorated. Sweets are made in large quantities. Sweet, that's the main thing. Sweets are made. And what else you do with the sweets? Are made and exchanged. Or sweets are prepared and exchanged. You exchange, you give it to your friends, neighbors. Okay, it is an important Hindu festival. Houses are clean and decorated. Sweets are made and exchanged. You exchange with your friends, family, neighbors, etc. Now, Diwali or Deepawali, the god, it is a festival when you worship the goddess of wealth. Okay, on Diwali, the goddess of wealth, that is Lakshmi, is worshipped. On Diwali, around Deepavali, the goddess of wealth, who is the goddess of wealth? Lakshmi. Is worshipped. Okay? So on Diwali, which is the god? The main god, the goddess of wealth. Lakshmi is worshipped. Then, people indulge in sweets, in buying sweets, jewelry, clothes, and things for the home. So what the people do? People indulge. Indulge means spend a lot of time. People indulge in what? In buying or making sweets. Then what else they buy? Jewelry, clothes, and maybe utensils. Or whatever you need for the home. So a lot of buying is done during this auspicious time of Diwali. Now they say it marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. So some people say it is. It marks the return. They remember the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. That's what they say. It marks. Or they remember. People try to remember. It marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. That's one of the memories of the people. Okay. And why did he return to Ayodhya? After his victory over Ravana. So, it marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after. After what? His victory. His victory over Ravana. After his victory over Ravana. Hindus mainly observe this day with great festivity. All Hindus observe this day, Diwali day, this day with great festivity. With great festivity. What else can we say? Diwali is meant for happiness. It's a time of happiness and prosperity. Diwali is meant, or Diwali is a season. Deepawali is a season for happiness and prosperity. Happiness and prosperity. So, what must we do? So, we should not pollute our environment by bursting too many crackers. So, because it's a time of happiness and prosperity, we should not pollute our environment with environment. We should not pollute our environment by bursting too many crackers. Okay? So, what are we doing? We're talking and we are writing about a happy time, Deepawali. Deepawali or Diwali mean the festival of lights. On this occasion, houses and shops and streets are decorated with earthen lamps or lights at night. So full of light during the season. It is an important Hindu festival. Houses are cleaned and decorated. Sweets are made and exchanged. On Diwali, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, is worshipped. People indulge in buying sweets, jewelry, clothes, and utensils. It marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after his victory over Ravana. All Hindus observe this day with great festivity. Deepawali is a season for happiness and prosperity. So, we should not pollute our environment by bursting too many crackers. You can go on to write in detail because you experience it year after year.